Did you know that 70% of Americans can't accurately calculate their net worth? Your net worth is the ultimate measure of your financial health. It's simple. Subtract what you owe from what you own. Imagine your finances like a house. The value of everything inside minus any debt on it equals how much equity you really have. Common myth: net worth is just about money in the bank. It includes your home, investments, even that fancy car. Let's break it down. Take Sarah, who has $50K savings, a $300K home with a $200K mortgage, and a $30K car loan. Her net worth. Add everything she owns: $50K savings plus $300K home equals $350K. Then subtract what she owes: $230K mortgage plus car loan. So Sarah's net worth is $120K. Not bad, but could it be better? Growing your net worth means increasing what you own and decreasing debt, like adding rooms to a house while paying off loans. Remember, this is just general education. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice tailored to your unique situation.